I'm going to show you the simple and advanced diagnostics for your 2024 Samsung OLED TV that won't turn on. This model commonly suffers from a defective power supply. To test it, we first need to remove the back cover. This TV doesn't use screws, so we need to properly disengage the plastic clips to remove the cover. I'm using a flathead screwdriver. I'm inserting the screwdriver right here where there's an arrow, pushing the cover away, and I'm going to twist the screwdriver to push the cover away from the screen, and then it's going to unclip. And now we can gently wiggle the cover away. We'll repeat the same process on the bottom left side. Now for our simple diagnostic, I have set my multimeter to continuity mode. So when we have continuity, we get a beep. And this fuse has no continuity, no beep. That means we have a defective fuse. Let's compare it to a good fuse over here. We do have continuity, we have a good fuse here. Now because our fuse is defective, I won't be getting any output voltages. Let's replace the board with a working one and do a live test. We'll start by removing our connectors. And we're simply pinching this clip here. Same with this one, we have a little clip. We're pinching it to remove it. Remove our screw. And we're gonna lift the power supply board over here as we push it this way. And now it should lift right off. We're going to install our replacement in the exact same way. Line it up on the clips, slide it this way. We're going to do a quick double check. All of our clips are locked in. Yes, we'll screw in our screw. Now we're not going to reconnect our connectors because we're going to want to keep our power supply isolated. We'll plug in our power cable. And I did just hear the power supply click, which is a good sign if the power supply is fully functional. You may not have gotten that click on your end, however, if you have a defective power supply. Now we're going to zoom in on the top left corner. We're going to use the negative VDRV and the positive VDRV as our contact points, and we want to see 32 volts. We're going to keep our negative on the negative VDRV and go to the left jumper wire here, and we should be getting our 13 volts, and we are. If either of those voltages are not present, then your power supply is defective and will need to be sent in for repair. If both are present and your TV is still not powering on, then you may have a defective mainboard, T-con, or panel. Now that we have confirmed that the power supply is defective, I can offer you two options. Number one would be to send in your defective power supply for us to fix. This option is going to be a little cheaper, but a little slower. Or you can purchase one of our pre-refurbished units, which will be a little bit more expensive, but much faster. Either option does come with our upgraded components. Before we install the cover back on, let's do one last test. Make sure our TV turns on. And we can see picture on screen. Place our cover back on the set. And when reinserting the cover on the bottom, we want to make sure that the clips are going in properly. So we don't want this in front of the frame, we want it behind it. Both the links for the repair services and the refurbished units are available in the description down below. Otherwise, if you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching.